Have you ever glanced at a dim corner of your home and assumed nothing could possibly grow there? Many people believe healthy houseplants require bright sunshine all day long, but that's a common misconception. In reality, there are numerous indoor plants that have adapted to flourish in low-light environments, making them perfect for homes and offices with limited natural light. These hardy plants don't just survive in shaded spaces, they add beauty, texture, and even help create a healthier indoor environment. Whether you want to brighten a hallway, decorate your workspace, or add life to a windowless room, there's a plant that can handle the challenge. Today, we're counting down 10 incredible houseplants that thrive with little to no direct sunlight. By the end of this video, you'll likely find the ideal plant to transform even the darkest area of your home. 1. ZZ plant. If there were an award for the toughest indoor plant, the ZZ plant would certainly be among the top contenders. Its thick, upright stems are lined with glossy, emerald green leaves that create a sleek, architectural appearance, making it an excellent choice for both modern and classic interiors. Native to the dry regions of Eastern Africa, the ZZ plant evolved to withstand long periods without rainfall or intense sunlight. Beneath the soil, it stores moisture inside thick rhizomes, allowing it to survive weeks without watering. Because of this natural adaptation, it's one of the easiest houseplants to care for. Low light, dry indoor air, and occasional neglect rarely bother it. Whether placed in an office, apartment, or shaded hallway, the ZZ plant continues looking healthy with very little attention. In addition to its striking appearance, the ZZ plant contributes to cleaner indoor air by helping reduce pollutants such as benzene, toluene, and xylene. While no plant can completely purify a room on its own, it certainly adds to a healthier indoor atmosphere. Maintenance couldn't be much simpler. Allow the soil to dry before watering again, since excessive moisture is far more harmful than occasional dryness. A well-draining potting mix is ideal, and although brighter indirect light encourages faster growth, this plant remains perfectly content in darker locations. Its bold, glossy foliage pairs beautifully with nearly any decorating style. Whether displayed on the floor, a shelf, or an office desk, the ZZ plant provides structure, elegance, and a refined touch without demanding constant care. Plant lovers can also choose between different varieties. The classic green form offers a timeless appearance, while the popular Raven ZZ develops dramatic leaves that mature into an almost black color, creating a bold visual statement. Both varieties share the same impressive resilience. More than just a decorative plant, the ZZ plant represents persistence. It quietly proves that even under less than perfect conditions, steady growth is still possible. 2. Pothos. Few houseplants have earned a reputation for reliability quite like pothos. Often nicknamed Devil's Ivy, this tropical vine originates from the Solomon Islands, where it naturally climbs trees beneath dense forest canopies. That natural habitat explains why pothos performs so well indoors. Even when sunlight is scarce, it continues producing attractive foliage. Although growth slows in darker spaces, the plant remains healthy and vibrant, making it one of the best choices for low-light homes and workplaces. One reason pothos remains so popular is its incredible variety. Golden pothos features green leaves splashed with golden yellow patterns. Marble Queen displays elegant white variegation, while neon pothos stands out with brilliant lime green foliage that almost glows indoors. Its long trailing vines provide endless decorating possibilities. It looks stunning cascading from hanging baskets, flowing over bookshelves, or climbing moss poles and trellises. With proper care, its vines can stretch several feet, instantly bringing a lush tropical feel into any room. Pothos also offers practical benefits. It has been recognized for helping reduce indoor pollutants including formaldehyde, benzene, xylene, and toluene, making it a valuable addition to enclosed living spaces. Caring for pothos is refreshingly uncomplicated. Water only after the top layer of soil has dried, and avoid leaving the roots constantly wet. While it appreciates indirect light, it adapts remarkably well to shade. Feeding with a balanced houseplant fertilizer every month or two during the growing season encourages faster growth and richer leaf color. Perhaps one of its greatest advantages is how effortlessly it propagates. Simply snip a healthy vine just below a leaf node and place the cutting in water or moist soil. Within a few weeks, new roots begin to emerge, allowing you to create additional plants for free or share them with friends and family. Whether hanging gracefully from a shelf or climbing toward the ceiling, pothos transforms dull spaces into vibrant green displays. Its toughness, versatility, and beauty make it a must-have plant for beginners and experienced gardeners alike. 3. Peace lily. Among all low-light houseplants, few combine beauty and practicality as gracefully as the peace lily. Its broad, glossy leaves and elegant white blooms create a sophisticated appearance that instantly brightens shaded rooms. Unlike many flowering plants, it can continue blooming even without direct sunlight, making it an excellent choice for bedrooms, offices, and darker living spaces. Native to tropical forests across the Americas and parts of Southeast Asia, peace lilies naturally grow beneath the forest canopy, where sunlight is filtered through taller trees. Because of this, they adapt exceptionally well to indoor conditions, with limited natural light. Besides their attractive appearance, peace lilies are well known for improving indoor air quality. They can help reduce airborne pollutants including benzene, formaldehyde, ammonia, and xylene. Their ability to lower mold spores in humid environments also makes them especially suitable for bathrooms and laundry rooms. Looking after a peace lily is straightforward. Keep the soil consistently but lightly moist, avoiding both complete dryness and waterlogged conditions. One of the plant's most useful characteristics is its clear communication. It dramatically droops when thirsty but quickly regains its shape after watering, making it easy to know exactly when it needs attention. To encourage healthy foliage and repeated flowering, feed the plant every 6 to 8 weeks during the growing season using a balanced fertilizer. Since peace lilies enjoy humid environments, occasional misting or placing them near a humidifier can further improve their health. What most people call the flower is actually a specialized white leaf known as a spathe, which surrounds a central flowering spike called the spadix. These elegant blooms often remain attractive for several weeks and can appear multiple times each year even under low-light conditions. Beyond their decorative appeal, peace lilies can positively influence the atmosphere of a room. Studies suggest that indoor plants may help reduce stress, improve concentration, and create a greater sense of relaxation. A peace lily brings not only greenery, but also a calm, welcoming feeling to almost any indoor space. With elegant foliage, long-lasting blooms, minimal maintenance requirements, and valuable air cleaning qualities, the peace lily remains one of the finest choices for anyone wanting to enjoy thriving plants in rooms where sunlight is limited. 4. Cast iron plant. The cast iron plant has earned its reputation as one of the toughest houseplants you can grow. Originating from the shaded woodlands of East Asia, it naturally adapted to places where very little sunlight reaches the forest floor. Because of this, it flourishes in dim indoor spaces where many other plants fail. Its broad, deep green leaves are thick, glossy, and remarkably resilient. They withstand irregular watering, changing temperatures, and occasional neglect, making this plant an ideal companion for busy households. Although it grows at a slow pace, it steadily develops into an elegant, long-lasting addition to any room. This hardy plant is especially well suited for offices, hallways, bedrooms, or apartments with limited natural light. Its rich foliage creates a calming atmosphere while adding texture and timeless beauty to indoor spaces. Maintenance is refreshingly simple. The cast iron plant prefers well-draining soil and should be watered only after the soil has partially dried. It tolerates dry indoor air, varying humidity levels, and seasonal temperature changes without complaint, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Despite its slow growth, this plant is famous for its incredible longevity. With only minimal care, it can remain healthy and attractive for decades. Its dependable nature proves that true beauty doesn't always demand constant attention or perfect conditions. 5. Philodendron. Philodendrons have remained favorite houseplants for generations because of their adaptability, attractive foliage, and effortless care. Native to the rainforests of Central and South America, they naturally grow beneath towering trees where sunlight is filtered, making them exceptionally well suited for low-light interiors. Among the most beloved varieties is the heartleaf philodendron, known for its graceful trailing vines that look beautiful cascading from shelves, hanging baskets, or bookcases. Larger varieties, including split leaf and climbing types, produce dramatic foliage that instantly becomes the centerpiece of a room. Besides their decorative appeal, philodendrons contribute to cleaner indoor air by helping reduce pollutants like formaldehyde and xylene. Their lush leaves create a fresh, relaxing atmosphere while bringing a touch of the tropics indoors. These plants require very little maintenance, water only when the top layer of soil becomes dry, and they'll continue growing happily. In lower light, growth naturally slows, but the plant remains healthy and vibrant. A light feeding during spring and summer can encourage fuller growth, though it's not essential. Whether displayed as a trailing vine or a bold upright specimen, philodendrons easily transform dim spaces into lush, inviting environments, making them suitable for both beginners and experienced plant lovers. 6. Spider plant. Spider plants are cheerful, dependable houseplants that have earned worldwide popularity thanks to their adaptability and low-maintenance nature. Native to South Africa, they thrive in a variety of indoor environments, while adding freshness and movement with their elegant, arching leaves, often decorated with green and white stripes. These plants perform well in low to medium light, making them perfect for rooms without direct sunshine. Although brighter locations encourage faster growth, spider plants remain healthy and attractive even in shaded corners. Their ability to tolerate different humidity levels and indoor temperatures makes them suitable for nearly any home or office. Perhaps their most delightful feature is the production of small plantlets, commonly called babies, which dangle from long stems. These offshoots are easy to root, allowing one healthy plant to produce many more over time, perfect for expanding your collection or sharing with friends. Spider plants also contribute to improved indoor air by absorbing pollutants such as formaldehyde, carbon monoxide, and xylene, helping create a fresher living environment. They are simple to maintain. Plant them in well-draining soil, water moderately, and allow the soil to dry slightly before watering again. Avoid excessive moisture around the roots, trim brown leaf tips when needed, and apply a balanced fertilizer occasionally during the growing season. Whether displayed in a hanging basket, placed on a shelf, or decorating a desk, spider plants bring energy, texture, and natural charm to spaces where sunlight is limited. 7. Chinese evergreen. Chinese evergreens are among the easiest and most reliable indoor plants available today. Native to the tropical forests of Southeast Asia, they evolved beneath dense tree canopies, allowing them to flourish in rooms with very little natural light. Their greatest attraction lies in their spectacular foliage. Depending on the variety, the leaves may display rich shades of green, silver, cream, pink, or red, often decorated with striking patterns, speckles, or colorful streaks. These vibrant leaves brighten darker corners and instantly enhance interior decor. Varieties such as Red Siam offer vivid red highlights, while Silver Bay is admired for its elegant silver-green appearance. Beyond their beauty, Chinese evergreens help improve indoor air quality by filtering pollutants including benzene and formaldehyde, making them both decorative and practical additions to homes and workplaces. They are exceptionally forgiving plants, tolerating dry indoor air, irregular watering, and occasional neglect with ease. Although they grow happily in low light, moderate indirect sunlight helps maintain brighter leaf coloration. The most important rule is to avoid overwatering, allowing the soil to dry slightly before watering again. Growth is gradual, but these plants reward patience with years of dependable beauty. Their colorful foliage, durability, and effortless care make Chinese evergreens an excellent choice for anyone wanting to bring vibrant greenery into dimly lit spaces. 8. Snake plant. Snake plants, commonly known as mother-in-law's tongue, have earned a reputation as one of the most resilient houseplants available. Native to the arid landscapes of West Africa, they evolved to withstand long dry periods and changing sunlight conditions, making them exceptionally well adapted to indoor life. Their upright, sword-shaped leaves are thick and succulent, storing moisture that allows the plant to survive for weeks without watering. This natural drought tolerance makes snake plants an excellent option for anyone looking for a low-maintenance yet attractive addition to their home. Their benefits extend well beyond durability. Snake plants are valued for helping improve indoor air quality by absorbing pollutants such as formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene. Unlike many other indoor plants, they continue releasing oxygen throughout the night, making them particularly well suited for bedrooms, home offices, and enclosed living spaces. Looking after a snake plant couldn't be easier. It performs best in bright, indirect light but remains healthy even in darker rooms. The most important rule is to avoid excessive watering. Allow the soil to dry completely before watering again, as constantly wet soil can damage the roots. Because of this forgiving nature, snake plants are ideal for beginners and busy plant owners alike. Their bold vertical growth also makes them a favorite among interior designers. The clean, architectural lines of their foliage add height and balance to modern, minimalist, or contemporary spaces. Whether displayed in a floor planner combined with other houseplants or showcased on a shelf, they naturally create a strong visual statement. Snake plants are available in numerous attractive varieties. Laurenti features striking yellow leaf margins. Hanai forms a compact rosette perfect for smaller spaces, while Moonshine offers elegant silvery green foliage with a sleek, modern appearance. Regardless of the variety, all share the same remarkable toughness and adaptability. Many people also appreciate their symbolic meaning. In feng shui, snake plants are associated with protection, strength, and positive energy. They're often positioned near entrances or room corners to encourage harmony while representing endurance, stability, and lasting resilience. 9. Dracaena. Dracaena is a graceful, dependable houseplant that combines attractive foliage with impressive adaptability. Native to tropical regions of Africa and Asia, it naturally grows beneath taller vegetation where sunlight is filtered, allowing it to thrive in indoor spaces with limited natural light. One of Dracaena's greatest strengths is the wide range of varieties available. Some display long, narrow leaves with elegant red edges, while others feature broad green foliage highlighted by yellow or lime-colored stripes. Popular choices include Marginata, admired for its slender red-edged leaves, Masangiana, recognized by its bold yellow center stripe, and the vibrant lemon lime, which brightens interiors with vivid green tones. Besides its decorative qualities, Dracaena also contributes to healthier indoor air by helping remove pollutants such as benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene. Its air-purifying ability makes it a valuable addition to homes and workplaces alike. Fortunately, Dracaena requires very little attention. It grows well in well-drained soil and only needs watering once the soil has partially dried. Since it develops slowly, regular pruning is rarely necessary. Its upright shape introduces height and structure without taking up excessive space, making it suitable for corners, hallways, offices, or living rooms. Although brighter indirect light encourages stronger growth, Dracaena remains healthy even in lower light locations where many other plants struggle. Combining attractive foliage, easy maintenance, and dependable performance, it proves that beautiful greenery doesn't require perfect conditions to flourish. 10. Parlor Palm. Parlor palms have remained one of the world's favorite indoor plants for generations, thanks to their graceful appearance and exceptional tolerance for low-light conditions. Native to the shaded tropical forests of Central America, they naturally flourish beneath larger trees where direct sunlight rarely reaches. Their soft, feathery fronds emerge slowly, arching outward to create a light, elegant appearance that instantly softens interior spaces. Because they remain relatively compact, parlor palms fit beautifully on tables, plant stands, floors, or in decorative containers without overwhelming a room. Their lush green foliage introduces a peaceful tropical atmosphere that complements almost any decorating style. Beyond their beauty, parlor palms also help create healthier indoor environments by filtering pollutants such as formaldehyde and benzene while contributing fresh oxygen to the surrounding air. This makes them especially valuable in offices, apartments, and other enclosed spaces. Maintenance is straightforward and beginner-friendly. Plant them in well-draining soil and water only after the upper layer has become slightly dry. Avoid allowing excess water to collect around the roots, as this can lead to root rot. While they tolerate dim conditions exceptionally well, occasional exposure to indirect light encourages fuller, healthier growth. Although parlor palms develop slowly, they are remarkably long-lived and retain their elegant shape with very little maintenance. Their combination of tropical beauty, resilience, and effortless care has made them a timeless favorite among indoor gardeners. Even the darkest corner of a home can feel brighter, calmer, and more inviting with the graceful presence of a healthy parlor palm. E.